Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Volvo XC90. So this is our Volvo XC90. It's the 2008 SE Sport. It's covered just over 112,000 miles from new. Has got a whopping 14 service stamps in the book, 11 of those being main dealer, with the last owner keeping this since 2011. Clearly been looked after throughout its life. There's a couple little marks on the bodywork, given the age and mileage. Certainly not in bad condition. A few little age-related marks there. Inside, you've got the heated leather in the front with electrical adjustment for the driver with memory function. Steering wheel controls, power fold mirrors, AM/FM radio, 6 CD changer, air conditioning. All in pretty good condition for the age and mileage. Privacy glass in the back, loads of legroom for the middle row. And you've also got a nice big practical boot. You've also got 2 more seats in the boot which fold up from there. Overall, a very, very nice 7-seater 4x4 with the D5 engine. That's a really, really nice, reliable Volvo 5-cylinder diesel. Automatic gearbox, very, very comfortable, very, very nice car. Well looked after, excellent service history, ready to go to a new owner. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.